హలో ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు మై ఛానల్. మేము చేసే ప్రతి వీడియో మీకు అందాలనుకుంటే మీరు మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, లైక్ చేయండి, బెల్ బటన్ని క్లిక్ చేయండి. సో ఇక్కడ నోటిఫికేషన్ చూసినట్టయితే మాకు తెలిసిన కొన్ని ప్రకటన ద్వారా ఈ వీడియో చేయడం జరిగింది. తోషిబా ట్రాన్స్మిషన్ అండ్ డిస్ట్రిబ్యూషన్ సిస్టమ్ ఇండియా ప్రైవేట్ లిమిటెడ్ వారు నోటిఫికేషన్స్ రిలీజ్ చేశారు. సో వీ విల్ లుక్ ఇన్ టు దట్. Toshiba is hiring workmen on fixed term employment. Minimum qualification ITI, welder, fitter, electrician. Minimum 3 years of relevant experience in distribution transformer, power transformer industry. Work location TTD. Manufacturing plant in Rudraram village, Sangareddy district, Telangana. So job role is distribution transformers, core cutting, core coil assembly, final assembly areas, winding area. So the details has been given here. Email kishore.chode@toshiba-tti.com. So here the location Toshiba Transmission and Distribution System Private Limited, Rudraram Village, Patancheru Mandal, Sangareddy District, Telangana. So this is if your people are eligible, please you can apply if you are eligible. And here NTPC is looking for people who spread smiles of wellness. So here if you look into the details, NTPC is looking for medical specialist, general medicine, ONG, pediatrics and medical officers, GDMOs for its projects, station hospitals. Total 23 posts. A medical specialist, medical officer 37 posts. So the grade and pay scale is here 60,000 to 1,80,000, 70 to 2 lakhs, 50 to 1,60,000. How to apply? Interested eligible candidates should log on to our website ntpccareers.net, and for viewing the full text of the advertisement and for applying, only online mode of application is accepted. Last date is September 2nd. The next one is Air India, a Star Alliance member. Air India Limited invites applications for the post of CEO, Chief Executive Officer. Airport Service, Air India Airport Services Limited, Air India Engineering Services Limited, Air India Express Limited, Alliance Air Aviation Limited, Hotel Corporation of India Limited. So this is the Air India subsidiary companies. These are. Last date of receipt of applications is by 3 hours, 1500 hours means it's a 3 p.m. on 8th September 2020. So for complete advertisement on application form, please log on to the career page of Air India website www.airindia.in. The next one is Setu Institute of Technology, gateway to knowledge and success. Salient features are given here. They are looking for faculties, professors, associate professor and assistant professors for the following departments: civil engineering, chemical engineering, agriculture, biomedical, biotechnology, chemistry and English. Chartered accountants and cost accountants with a 10 years experience in educational institutions. Apply within 15 days to hr@setu.ac.in. So the next one is Saint Kitts Institute of Management. It's in Kerala. So they are looking for professor, associate professor, assistant professor to engage in high quality postgraduate teaching and research programs. So the website has given here www.saintgitts.org.careers. Chennai Metro Rail Limited has looking for notification, has released a notification. They are looking for general manager, additional GM, deputy GM, estate officer, assistant manager, finance and accounts, deputy manager, finance and accounts, manager, finance and accounts. The salary would be from 80,000 to 1,50,000. Total number of posts or like 5 posts are there. So the minimum experience has given for each position. So the chennaimetrorail.org is a website to apply. So here Ramaya Institute of Technology requirement is there. The applications are invited for the following posts to the department as shown against each from teaching experience professional. So here civil engineering, mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer science, industrial engineering, chemical engineering, information science, medical electronics, MBA and architecture. The qualification and salary as per AICTE COA norms. Prescribed resume format of faculty is available in our websites www.msrit.edu. So people can send their resume within 10 days of advertisement. So consider as this advertisement as given on 20th of July, August, sorry, 20th of August as release day notification. So from now onwards, it's a 15 days, sorry, 10 days. Deputy Manager Director, a Bank Boards Bureau, SIDBI, a Small Industries Development Bank of India, looking for Deputy Managing Director. So the open advertisement here, how to apply has given here. So the last date is on 15th September. Next, Arignar Anna College. It's in Tamil Nadu. Wanted principal, professors and assistant professors for all subjects like computer science, commerce, business administration, chemistry, maths, physics, English, Tamil, qualification and experience as per UGC norms. So the next one is Petronet LNG Limited, New Delhi, Managing Director and CEO. So that the website has given petronetlng.com. Go to the careers section to apply the job. ISL Engineering College, Chandranagutta, Banlaguda. Wanted professors, associate professors, and assistant professors. So that meet ISLW college at gmail.com is a mail ID. So Air India, it is already repeated once. Lead the leaders of tomorrow. Professor, assistant professor, associate professor. For guiding students in CSC, ECE, EEE, ME, CIV, ID, Pharmacy, MBA, Maths, Physics, Chemistry and English. Eligibility and pay as per AICTE guidelines and UGC 6th pay. Email your resume within 10 days to hr2020@anurag.edu.in. So friends, if you like the video, press like button, share the video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.